Welcome back to my channel, guys. Nextinfood. I am your diva chef Simone Walker Barrett. Today's tutorial is all about how to make a simple chicken dinner. Otaheiti apple is in season in Jamaica, and I thought it would be nice to show you how to use the apples to make a lovely glaze to just give chicken a different vibe. So let's make some Otaheiti glazed chicken. Alright guys, so for chicken dinner, this is what we need. This is approximately 1 kilo of boneless, skinless chicken breast. I already had it seasoned with some Cajun seasoning, so I'm going to be adding some other good flavors to it. This here is some Old Bay, so I'm adding some Old Bay spice to it. I love the vibe of the Old Bay. I'm adding some hot sauce for spiciness. And I'm adding some cornstarch. What the cornstarch does is going to add a nice crispness to the chicken. That was 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and a teaspoon of garlic powder. And this little ingredient here, this is the white of an egg. So 1 egg white goes in. What the egg white does, it allows everything to stick together. And then you just want to mix it up. Right, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it up, just like so. Make sure it is seasoned, and then we are going to fry the chicken pieces. So I'm going to put this off to the side and show you what our other ingredients look like. For our Otaheiti glaze, guys, I'm using an Otaheiti apple jam. Now we will leave the link down in the bio for you to see how to make the Otaheiti apple jam. So this is 1/2 cup of prepared Otaheiti apple jam. This is what the texture look like. Please note, depending on the type of Otaheiti apple, some is light pink, some is dark red in color. So to get this deep dark red color, you use the deep dark red Otaheiti apples. So we'll need 1/2 cup, and then this here is 1/4 cup of white wine. This is regular drinking wine, and we're gonna add that to it and just mix it. And this is our glaze. So all the sugars and the tartness of the apples and the ginger and everything that we put in the apple is enough to make this glaze flavorful. And then finally, I'm adding some savory ingredient to it. This is some soy sauce, and this is a tablespoon of light soy sauce. Do not use the dark one because it's going to change the color. So stick to the light one. And so now that our glaze is ready, we're just going to push this off to the side and go and fry our chicken pieces. So guys, in our Dutch pot here, I have 1 cup of oil, and I had this on, so now it should be nice and hot. When you're frying, you want to make sure that the oil is preheated so that the frying happens quickly. Now in goes our chicken pieces. This is what you want to see, nice bubbles around the side. So I'm just going to put them in and spread them out. So you want to use a nice wide pot when you are frying, and I'm using a skewer here just because I don't want to scratch up my pot. So you want to use a skewer and just spread them out, and don't worry about the oil. We're going to pour this oil off. You just want to fry them until they're nice and crisp. So we have the first set in. I'll show you what these look like when we're taking them out of the pot. Okay guys, so we're taking out the last amount of chicken. It's chicken breast, so you don't need to fry them for long because it's going to be dry. You don't want to ever overcook chicken breast. So this is what it looks like, nice and pre-fried and ready. So now we're gonna get rid of all of this excess oil, and don't worry, you can save this oil in a jar and you can use it whenever you're frying chicken. Guys, so we're going to be pouring our glaze in the pot. So it's very easy from here on. You just want to pour the glaze in Bring it to a boil and let it cook for 5 minutes, and then add the chicken. So now it's time for us to add our chicken to the party. So you just add it in, and that's all there is. You just toss it so that the chicken can get the flavor of the Otaheiti apple glaze. We're just gonna let this cook for 2 more minutes and then serve. So we're just adding a little garnish of green bell pepper, and our Otaheiti apple glazed chicken dinner is ready. It's very, very simple, guys. I do hope you found this tutorial very informative, and if you're a new subscriber to our channel, I want you to just hit that subscription button and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. Also, remember to like and share. All right, guys, I am your diva chef, Simone Walker Barrett, and I'll see you next time with another simple, seasonal, tasty recipe that you can make with your family. So let me just show you how we're gonna plate this up. Want to put it family style in a container. Isn't that pretty? And that's all there is to it. Enjoy.